from there, I want to talk about unfaithfulness. And before we talk about adultery and unfaithfulness, I wanted to ask you about unfaithfulness in schools. Give me examples of how unfaithfulness is demonstrated in schools. How is it demonstrated in schools? Being unfaithful, before we talk about adultery and unfaithfulness in the church. Yes? I thought you were raising up your hand. How's cheating? Yes, cheating in exams. Yes. Another way that unfaithfulness is demonstrated in schools. Yes? No, don't be personal. Telling lies. Telling lies. Yes. There's also sneaking out of school. Stealing from other students. Faking sickness or pretending to be sick. Those are ways that you're unfaithful. Yes? So, what are the causes of unfaithfulness? The causes of unfaithfulness in a family. Basically, here we're talking about like adultery. What are the causes? Causes of unfaithfulness? Yes? Sorry? Yes, family breakups. Another cause. So that now we can go to church on adultery. Another cause. So think about it. Think about it before I come tomorrow. So that we can talk about unfaithfulness. That is, we identify the ways in which the church responds to issues of adultery, which is unfaithfulness. As I come back tomorrow I don't have a lesson. It's usually on Thursday, right?